Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, everybody. It's another Nintendo Wii game, which will be deal or no deal, and we're going to do a double dollar value game. Let's see how it goes. Alright, let's go win $2 million. In our previous special, which was our birthday special for Ken Page, we took a deal for over $1.1 million when we had $2 million as one of the remaining cases. And if I had gone all the way and kept my case, I would not have won the $2 million.
Today is a special episode.
Yes, it is.
Ladies, please.
And as we continue this Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, the models are going to be wearing blue dresses.
Hello, ladies. Please say hello to our next player. We got 26 lovely ladies. $1 million.
$2 million, really?
Pick a case.
I'd like case 25.
That's your case to keep, to take home, to spend. Let's start by opening up 6 cases.
I'll start with the first one in the deck. 1.
Open the case.
$1,000. Great start. 3.
You have to open up 5. Open the case.
400 grand. Well, it could be worse. It could be worse. 13.
4 cases. Open the case.
$150. That's better. Give me 7.
Okay, 3 cases left open.
Come on, baby.
Open the case.
$1 million. Ouch. Let's not do that again.
2 cases left over.
14.
Open the case.
$10. Better. Did we go one too many? 24.
1 more case. Open the case.
Maybe $200,000. Ooh. We got rid of 200 grand and 400 grand and $1 million.
There's a man in this room with just one job, and it's a nasty job, and his job is to get you out of here for as little as possible.
But we still have a shot at $2 million.
Here comes the offer.
It's still on the board, so we have a chance.
Hello. Okay. 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 The new offer?
$91,600. I'm saying no. No deal. Take this offer and shove it. Take this offer and shove it. How about 21?
Open the case.
1,500. Good job. It is a number. Number 2. Get it?
4 more cases.
Knock it off forward.
Open the case.
$600,000. Ouch.
Okay, 3 cases left
22.
over.
I want 22.
Open the case.
50 grand. Okay. Not bad. Not bad.
2 cases left over. Open the case.
$800,000. Come on.
1 case.
16. Now we're definitely playing with fire here.
Open the case.
2 grand. Okay. Well, we got rid of 2 more 6-figure amounts, but we still have $1.5 million, and we still have $2 million.
Here comes the offer. Hello. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So the highest amount besides those is 100,000, 150,000.
The new offer?
Raised it 97,800, but I'm saying no deal. Let's go with 18.
4 more cases.
Let's get us rid of the amounts on the left side of the board.
Open the case.
That's on the left side, $200. 10.
Okay, 3 cases left open.
Come on, baby.
Open the case.
2 cents is gone. Okay. My lucky number
2
8.
cases left open.
Come on, baby.
Please, open the case.
$2 gone. Okay. 19.
1 case. Please, open the case.
All right, 10 grand. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
What do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, he better raise this offer.
Hello. Really?
So we got rid of the 2 cents. We got rid of the
Okay.
$2. So we don't have either
Okay.
of those. This is great.
The offer did go.
I had a feeling it would. $202,000. I'm saying no deal. We're gonna keep going. Come on, baby. I'll take his number 20.
Okay, 3 cases left open.
All right.
Open the case.
$1.5 million? No!
2 cases
Last
left
in the
open.
deck, 26. Did we go one too low?
Open the case.
We did not. 20 grand. Okay. 2 amounts gone from the right
One
side.
case.
Oh, we have another. Oh, we have another case to open. 15. My bad.
Open the case.
No! 2 million gone. Now the most we can win is
What do you think's
$150,000.
gonna happen?
He's dropping this one.
Hello. Right.
Oh man.
Okay.
Bad round.
Okay.
Bad round.
The offer went down.
25,200. I'm gonna have to say no deal. We had a bad round. I'm going for 12.
2 cases left open.
Yeah.
Open your case.
150 grand gone. 11.
1 case.
Now the most we can win is $100,000. Not looking good.
Open the case.
$800 gone. Okay. Yeah, another bad round.
Here comes the offer.
This one's going down.
Hello. Okay.
If I can get at least $25,000, I'll consider taking the deal.
Really? The offer went down.
11,200. No, we have to keep going. I want to try to get more than $25,000 in the deal, and then I'll consider taking it. Number 6.
No. 1 more case.
We knock out that 100 grand, we're toast.
Please, open the case.
We're not toast, $50. Like I said, I gotta get up to at least
What do you
$25,000.
think's gonna happen?
And then I'll take the deal.
Hello. Okay. Right. Okay. The offer did go.
$18,200, we gotta keep going.
One case.
Alright, we gotta get get rid of one of the left
Open the
amounts.
case.
Oh! Well, we're not gonna win.
Here comes the offer.
Yeah,
Hello.
this game's pretty much
Right.
done.
Right. Okay. The offer went down.
$120. No, forget it. We're just gonna play for pride.
One case.
We're playing for pride now.
Open the case.
$20. There we go. So we can't win anything less than $100, but the most we can win is $600.
What do you think is going to happen? Hello? Okay. Okay. Right.
Not a good offer.
The offer did go up.
$410. You know what? Just give it to me. I don't care. Give me the $410. Let's see how much I had in case 25, not that I care. We had $600, so I would have had more, but that's okay. 5 would have been my next pick, and that, yeah. Oh well, see you all for another game, everybody.